Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Microsoft Defender SmartScreen warning that says SmartScreen prevented an unrecognized app from starting. This message can be frustrating, but there's a simple solution. Let's get started. Start by clicking on the Microsoft Defender icon in the taskbar. If you don't see it right away, click the arrow to show Hidden Icons. You should find it there. Once opened, click on App and Browser Control, then navigate to Reputation-Based Protection Settings. Finally, turn off all the settings listed under that section. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.